So today we are cooking pulled pork tacos. No?
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Kristi.
And we are in Western Montana, our wonderful, happy place. And it's kind of obvious why, but sometimes when we go to these amazing destinations, it's not quite as easy as driving along a road and arriving to our spot.
But thanks to four-wheel drive and a talented driver, we made it, and it's absolutely worth it. Besides sharing delicious meals with you, our mission is to show you like some of the most beautiful places in the country, and this is by far one of our favorite areas.
But wherever we go, we always bring our appetite with us. So today we are cooking pulled pork tacos.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Thanks for joining us on Destination Delicious.
Not only are we gonna make a quick and easy meal, but it is also date night for us.
Which doesn't happen very often when you live in an RV with a 5-year-old and a dog.
Yes, but my parents are with us this summer and they're hanging out with Cade, so we get an evening to ourselves to cook, enjoy this absolutely gorgeous view, and have some adult conversation.
So if you have the opportunity to make pulled pork from the beginning, it's awesome. But in the interest of time, we were able to find some pre-cooked pulled pork, which we are going to warm up on the Blackstone, and we're going to flavor up with Blackstone's Korean sweet fire sauce.
Usually you love to like emphasize the fire! That's what I was waiting for.
I'm going to get a little bit of oil on the griddle.
I have a knife if you would like it.
Yeah, let's try that.
All right. Blackstone. Should be nice and sharp.
Yummy!
I think Spencer's a little bit skeptical of the packaged pulled pork that I picked up, but it smells delicious.
I've got the griddle set to low because the pork is already cooked. I've got the griddle set to low and the pork is...
Our pulled pork is already cooked, so we got the griddle set to low because we just need to hit
Just need to what? I've got the griddle set to low because the pork is already cooked. So all I need to do now is warm it up and add the sauce. Just gotta give it a good shake.
While our pulled pork is heating up, I am gonna make our dry slaw mix. The reason why we're doing a dry slaw mix is because we've got the Korean sweet fire on the pulled pork, and then we also have a sauce as a topper. So we wanna balance both of those out with a dry mix. And then I'm gonna cut up a little extra red onion to add to it.
You're gonna cut that giant onion with that tiny knife?
Every single time, Spencer has something to say about my cutting abilities and that I like to use the smaller knife. Is there a quicker way to get the peely off?
Just gotta pulley the peely.
Pulley the peely? Not like the garlic smash.
Nope. Yeah, you can try smashing that, but with that little knife, it's definitely not going to happen.
Anywhere. Cut this in half, and then I'm gonna just cut some thin slices. I'm gonna cut up a lime, and then I think we're about ready to put them all together.
Yep.
Oh,
Juicy
nice
lime.
and juicy. And you want it this way again? Everything's ready and smelling good. We are going to put our tacos together now.
We also found a cilantro lime sauce, which we are pretty excited to try, and that's what we're going to top our tacos with. All right, for the last little zest, some lime juice. Ooh, that's a juicy lime.
These look and smell amazing.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited for these.
Me
And they
too.
came together real quick and easy, which is awesome, so we can spend some more time together chatting and ruminating over life.
You sound so sophisticated.
I am.
All right, well, let's dive in here.
All right. That is good.
For anyone judging the pulled pork in a box,
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Spencer, it's absolutely delicious,
It's
and
great.
it's really tender. Like, it's exactly what you would expect pulled pork to be.
Yeah, just a little bit of oil to get it brought back to life, and then of course the Korean sweet fire. Fire! Is so tasty.
And the lime cilantro sauce goes really, really well with the Korean sweet fire. And I'm really glad we did the dry slaw,
Yeah.
because I think just another liquid would have been a little bit too much with this.
Too saucy.
Yes, but this is delicious. I love it.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Thank you again for tuning in. Be sure to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the shows from CJ, Nate, Todd, Bruce, Betty, and us, of course.
And check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. And until next time, guys, we're going to go enjoy some tacos and our date night. But this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.